So you're a little bit scared to make cold calls. Well, don't worry. That is okay. Everybody's been through it. Everybody's felt it before. It's absolutely normal. But you know that if you want to hit target, you want to get new customers, the way to do that is to pick up the phone. Email, LinkedIn, they're all very, very saturated markets. So you need to pick up the phone to speak to the people that have the problems you solve. So if you're feeling anxiety about it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to break down 3 things to help you overcome cold calling anxiety. Okay, step 1, you don't know what the other person is going through. So when you get rejected or they're mean to you or they say something really, really horrible, you actually don't know anything about their life. They could have been having an awful day, they could have spilt their milk on the way to the office, or their cat could have been run over by a fire truck. You don't know what's going on in their life, so have empathy and move on to the next one. Secondly, if you work in sales, when you signed on the dotted line, when you interviewed for that job, you were guaranteed rejection. Just like death and tax are guaranteed in life, if you work in sales, you are guaranteed to be rejected. When you go into the day knowing that ultimately you're going to get rejected, it makes life a lot easier and it makes picking up the phone a lot less scary. And finally, nobody has ever died from a cold call. In the whole of history, we've checked the record books, we've done the research, we've spoke to all the people, and nobody has ever died from making a cold call. At the end of the day, you'll look back and you'll go, wow, I had conversations, I've now got opportunities, I've got meetings set. You moved the needle forward, you did your job, you did what you were supposed to do, and guess what? You didn't die. So the best way to start is just doing that, starting. Get the momentum. Once you start, one foot in front of the other, and then you'll look back and you'll see how far you've come. Now pick up the phone.